Look, it's angel wings. That cloud is full on angel wings.
I see a turtle.
Those angel wings are for me.
It's a turtle standing on a rock. So we're at my sister's house and we're watching her dogs while they're on vacation and their cats too. And one thing we noticed was in their garage they have this guy.
We'll just take Mr. Skeleton in here. This is their bedroom. Let's leave that right there.
Hey, happy dog! Happy dog!
Ow! My coffee's hot!
So we're here at our local botanical gardens and we're reenacting some photos that we took of the boys when this guy was just a little puppy a few months ago. And so we're trying to like reenact the photo.
Yep. Because he was super small.
Yep. And then what we're gonna do?
Surprise! It's a surprise.
Oh.
What? You want to tell him?
I was gonna say we're gonna go to Hooters and go bowling, but apparently that's a surprise. Botanical gardens.
Remember what we were going to do with
Karin said that I can pick today, it's our weekend, and she said that I can pick something that is outside of her comfort zone. The first thing I think about is sports.
Why would you say that? I mean, seriously. Oh! Come back over here. Well, I wanted to see what our topic would be.
You have the water.
Seriously, that's the topic. That is Sprite. I am not. He's stupid.
Go with it. No.
There's bubbles. And where's my lemon? Nice try.
Dang it. What score do you think you're gonna get bowling?
50.
Now you know we're not doing the bumpers.
20. What else can we talk about?
So you are going to, so next week you're going to make me do something that I'm not comfortable doing. Do you know what it is yet?
No, I'm excited to plan it though. You guys are going to love it!
Alright, so you said your goal is 55, right?
Yes. Hey, look, I try to be realistic.
I think you can, hey, I think you could do it. That's the same thing you did the first time.
Like, okay, let's go back to 20.
Oh!
I got 3 or 4.
You got a split going on down there. What's your plan? What are you thinking right now?
Well, I'm gonna try to go to the right and think that maybe it'll go to the left.
Got it. Let's do it. Look at your score.
Oh my god! What?
That's so funny. I mean, you called your score. That's pretty impressive.
Stop. Like, exactly. So what do we want our score to be this time?
Well, I just got a 114, so I'm gonna be going for a 125.
I'm gonna go 105.
Whatever.
I was close. So close.
One pin away from our goal. So, I want to have a total of 350 by the end of the next game. What do you want your total to be?
150.
150? You keep going backwards.
I know.
So, Karin, I'll have you know that currently, as of right now, you're beating me.
I don't know why.
Because I got 1 and you got 6.
Oh, well, as of right now.
So you're winning. How does it feel to be in the lead?
Short-lived.
Try it.
So what was your strategy going into that throw?
I just, you know what? Do your best.
What was your strategy?
Do your best.
You need a new strategy. Oh, not bad, not bad.
Yeah.
I dedicate this shot to you.
Pounce you.
Alright, so this time I am going to bowl a 125. Oh wait, you think you're going to bowl a 100?
Yeah. Why you gotta be so negative?
I didn't say nothing.
Way to be rude.
So you think you're going to bowl a 100 and I'm going to try to bowl a 125. There we go.
Yeah. Okay, bye. We got it. I got 1.
You've done that 3 times. Seriously, look. She has done that 3 times.
I'm special.
You know how much skill it takes to hit the 10 pin? That's the hardest pin to hit. And you've done it 3 times now.
That's the only pin I hit. This is the last one.
I was 2 pins short. I did 123. You're 50 pins away, honey.
I think it's safe to say I'm not gonna make my goal. I overestimated my skills and over itness. Yeah.
You're gonna end in a gutter ball?
Going out in Karin style, excuse me. Whatever.
Bye, bowling balls.
Kind of like that look.
Let me know when you're ready. We're waiting on you.
Oh, you're recording?
Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely. Behind the scenes footage of what it's like vlogging with Karin.
You would do that. Okay, so what do you take from today? Like, what was your favorite?
I would say that it is incredibly important, no matter what you have to do, no matter what is on your to-do list, sometimes say, forget it, and just, we're going to go have a great day.
Yes. Exclamation point. Smell my feet.
That's a wrap at the bowling alley.
I rock and bowling.
Oh, what's that smell?
Because you made me bowl, you just smell my feet.
You too.
You too. Let's have that window.
Guys,
Delicious.
remember to subscribe to our channel and
Please.
follow us on Instagram.
It's melting off my hand. I have issues. I have to get a napkin.
Alright, let's go home.
Okay.